Alright, rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2020 GMC YUKON. It is a SLT model, 5.3 motor. We're going to be doing a thermostat, water pump, and change out the belt. So the belt broke on them. Came out here and diagnosed it yesterday, and I found out the pulley on the water pump was bad. You can see it right here. So we're gonna have to replace the pump. Let me show you how we're gonna do that, man. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
As you can see, we got a kit. That's the part number. It does come with a thermostat and the engine coolant temperature sensor, so we're going to be replacing that as well. Got our new pump. That's how it looks. So we got some bolts off in there we got to take out and to remove this. It's a fairly easy water pump. They have some that's a lot more difficult, has a big assembly, but we got to just take off this part here. And I'm hoping the lighting is not too bad for y'all, but we got to remove the intake. Start on that first. These tubes here, you press them in and it'll release. Pull that off. It's on the other side as well. Alright, got a flat head right there, and we got another flat head on this side. Alright, so we got the water pump to the right. Alright, and you can see how it looks. It won't even turn, the pulley is stuck. Rip the belt up. Rubbing up against it. So go ahead, start on it. We got to line these holes up to get these bolts out. 10 mils. Had to get the hammer out to bang on it so I can get it to turn. But that's what we got. Now we got to line these bolt holes up. Alright, that's all I'm using right there to get these bolts out. Already got them all out, 6 of them. And now we just gotta pry this thing off of here. Here's a pry bar. Alright. Alright, as you can see, it's no coolant that leaked out because it was already gone. It leaked coolant, ran hot. So this is why we're doing the job. Alright, we're looking good. Everything matching up. Got a new gasket. Metal gasket. Go ahead and swap that out. You don't need any RTV sealing, no sealing at all. That gasket gonna do it. Alright, we put that gasket on first. See, it got a little notch right there. It's gonna line up, go on one way. Can't put it on wrong. So you can see where that notch, it lines up. Now when installing these, you can get some blue Loctite, put on the thread. Alright, we back in there, man. Nice smooth turn. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this thermostat. 3 10mm bolts. Alright, we get that hose off. That hose clamp. Get some pliers. Alright, next we're gonna disconnect this hose clamp. Make sure you take your pliers and twist it, because it's gonna be seized on there. Get your old gasket off. Temp sensor. Remove this harness connector. I really couldn't figure out how to get this one off, but I pushed up on it, got up under it, put a flat head up under there, and was able to get it out. I got a 3/4 inch socket, deep socket, 1/2 inch ratchet. And we back on, man. Everything buttoned up, tightened down, hooked up. Now we're gonna put on that belt. See our tensioner right here? Get a 1/2 inch ratchet, put in that hole, release that tension. Alright, just like that, we back on. You gotta find the right belt, the belt diagram. I actually couldn't find it. I just searched for it. But I just routed it and figured it out myself, and that's it right there. So go ahead and put everything back together and start it up. Go ahead and top it off. There's one bottle, it's gonna go down. That's why you got another one. You see, that just disappeared. Alright, that's the second bottle. Top it off, drive it around, turn on the heat. Make sure your heat is blowing hot. If it's not, then you got a problem. Get the air out the system. Hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, pull up king.